Welcome to Headway Pre-Intermediate. I'm Laura, and I'm a teacher in Cardiff, Wales. The first unit is all about meeting and getting to know other people. You also review how to talk about the present, the past, and the future. I come from Manchester, but at the moment I'm living in Cardiff. I left home 5 years ago. Next weekend, I'm going to Manchester to visit my parents and old school friends. I can't wait. You can watch a video about people who decided to start a new life in another country. What do you think they like in their new home? What do they miss? Have you ever been on a blind date? In reading and speaking, you'll read an interesting text about a blind date, and you'll find out if the two people like each other. The vocabulary section in this unit focuses on verbs with similar meanings, like do and make, lend and borrow. We'll also look at words that have two meanings, such as train. Everyday English practices social expressions that we use in everyday situations. You'll learn what to say when you're shopping, when you see someone you know, and when you meet someone for the first time. You can go online to look at the material again, do extra practice activities, and check your progress. Are you ready? Let's get started.